probably 7 o'clock. Joe caught the first shark, and it's pretty big. Look at that. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Alright, he's gonna throw it back in the water. I don't know how he's gonna do it, but careful, it's slippery.
Yeah.
You see how easily they bite? They just take it.
And those hooks are nice too because they let go pretty easily.
Yeah.
Later, buddy. Bye, have fun. Get out of here.
That's a good size.
Bye. Dude, he's mad. He wants.
Doesn't know which way is the water.
He wants to bite me. Go that way. Go this way. This way. Oh, get out of here. There you go. You got it, right?
Yeah.
That way, it's easier. I can find this way out.
Yeah.
Sweet! It
Awesome.
took my bait though.
Yeah, that's worth it. There he is.
You know which one it ate? The shrimp, right?
Was it? It ate the shrimp?
Yeah.
Oh
Watch,
man.
where's my line at?
Yeah, the shrimp is up.
Yeah, dude, let's get some shrimp on there. So
There you go.
I
See you
felt
later.
the nibble and I pulled it, and that's when it pulled back.
Yeah, I can see my nibbling. Maybe I should thingy.